Hi guys, today we're gonna explore a hidden gem, the Hong Island tour. We booked a private longtail boat for 3000 baht. It cost an extra national park fee of 300 baht per person. Lunch was not included. The tour began at 8:30 am from our hotel with a 5-minute drive from Ao Nang to the pier where we boarded for Hong Island. The views you can observe on the way from a private longtail boat was a much better experience than a speedboat as most of the scenery is blocked. As we approached the group of islands, we were greeted by the sight of tall limestone cliffs rising majestically from the sea. The view was breathtaking and made the journey feel truly magical. The journey took us about 40 minutes. At Hong Island, the blue waters surrounded by towering limestone cliffs looked like something out of a fairy tale. The water at the beach were teeming with corals and marine life, making it a perfect spot to swim and enjoy the underwater scenery. What's great about the Hong Island tour is that it's much less crowded than the Krabi 4 Island tour, and in many ways it's even more beautiful. Since we had a private boat, we had no restriction on how much time we could spend here, so we stayed until our hearts were content. It felt like a complete package, an idyllic beach where you could spend all day swimming and relaxing. Next, we went on to Hong Lagoon. Boats navigate through a narrow entrance to reveal the hidden gem of Hong Lagoon, a tranquil oasis shielded by steep limestone cliffs with emerald green waters. This dramatic landscape, with cliffs on both sides and you navigating through on the boat, is the picture perfect scene everyone dreams of capturing in Krabi. From there, we went to what I consider the most beautiful island in Thailand, Lao Lading Island. It boasts a beautiful white sandy beach, turquoise waters lapping against the shore, towering coconut trees, a cave behind, and majestic limestone cliffs surrounding it. If I was told to conjure up the perfect tropical paradise, this island is exactly what it would look like. We got a coconut shake that was so refreshing to have while sitting on our beach towels under the shade created by the canopy of coconut trees. On this island, you can purchase lunch if you want. Our final destination was Koh Pakbia. While booking tours, you also have an option of BBQ dinner in the evening. That dinner is held in Koh Pakbia, which ends with you getting a chance to snorkel with bioluminescent plankton after the sun sets. But beware of that during jellyfish season. This island had this unique feature of a sandbar in between beaches on both sides. The tour concluded at around 4 pm. The Hong Island tour was a beautiful, breathtaking tour with less tourists teeming the place, and surprisingly was much better than the other island tours in a lot of aspects, with each island having its own beauty. Next time you visit Krabi, be sure not to miss it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes in my Thailand series. Bye!